In today's world of fast internet connections, a reliable Wi-Fi card can make a huge difference in both performance and connectivity. For users with a need for speedy and stable wireless connections, the M.2 Wi-Fi card is the best option to achieve great results in small form factors. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or someone who handles intensive internet-based tasks, selecting the right M.2 Wi-Fi card can improve your experience significantly. Number 1. Intel AX200 M.2 Wi-Fi 6 card. The Intel AX200 is one of the most popular choices among M.2 Wi-Fi cards. Supporting the latest Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax technology, it delivers a seamless and reliable wireless connection. With a maximum data rate of up to 2.4 gigabits per second, the Intel AX200 is designed to enhance your internet speeds whether you're streaming in 4K, gaming online, or working remotely with cloud-based applications. This card also offers low-latency connections, ideal for gamers who need uninterrupted and responsive gaming experiences. Furthermore, this M.2 card is backward compatible with earlier Wi-Fi standards like 802.11ac and 802.11n, making it versatile and adaptable to different routers. With Bluetooth 5.1 support, it ensures high-speed wireless peripheral connections, improving your overall connectivity experience. Key features: supports Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax with speeds up to 2.4 gigabits per second. Compatible with older Wi-Fi standards. Dual band, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for more flexibility. Includes Bluetooth 5.1 for advanced wireless peripheral connectivity. MU MIMO and OFDMA technologies, ensuring stable connections even in congested networks. Compatible with both Windows and Linux operating systems. Number 2. FenV AX200 NGW M.2 Wi-Fi card. The FenV AX200 NGW is another Wi-Fi 6 card offering impressive performance and reliability. It's powered by the Intel AX200 chipset and provides excellent wireless capabilities. Whether you're streaming content, working remotely, or gaming, this Wi-Fi card guarantees consistent high-speed performance with up to 2.4 gigabits per second data transfer rates. One of the standout features is its support for 160 MHz channels, which allows for increased bandwidth, resulting in faster data transmission. It also includes Bluetooth 5.1 for seamless peripheral connectivity, perfect for wireless headsets, keyboards, and mice. The FenV AX200 NGW is also a great choice for those looking to upgrade their older laptops or desktop PCs. Installation is straightforward, and the card is compatible with most laptops and desktops that support M.2 slots. Key features: utilizes the Intel AX200 chipset for stable and fast connectivity. Supports 160 MHz bandwidth for improved data rates. Dual band with up to 2.4 gigabits per second speed on Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax. Supports MU MIMO, OFDMA, and target wait time (TWT) technologies for enhanced efficiency. Includes Bluetooth 5.1 for wireless peripheral support. Compatible with a wide range of systems, including older laptops and desktops. Number 3. Broadcom BCM94360 M.2 Wi-Fi card. The Broadcom BCM94360 offers a reliable and efficient wireless experience with support for Wi-Fi 5 802.11ac. While it doesn't support Wi-Fi 6 like the other cards on this list, it is still a great option for users who don't need the latest standards but are looking for consistent and dependable performance. This Wi-Fi card provides speeds of up to 1.3 gigabits per second and is well suited for activities such as HD streaming, gaming, and downloading large files. The card also supports Bluetooth 4.0, which, while not the latest, still provides sufficient connectivity for most wireless devices. The Broadcom BCM94360NG's affordability makes it an attractive option for users on a budget who still want quality wireless performance. Key features: supports Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC with up to 1.3 gigabits per second speeds. Affordable option for users who don't need Wi-Fi 6. Dual band, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz capability. Bluetooth 4.0 support for wireless peripherals. M.2 MIMO technology for stable connections in busy environments. Simple installation process for both laptops and desktops. Number 4. Killer 1535 M.2 Wi-Fi card. The Killer 1535 Wi-Fi card is designed specifically with gamers in mind, providing low latency and high-speed internet connectivity. Supporting Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC, it offers speeds of up to 867 megabits per second, making it suitable for gaming, streaming, and other high-bandwidth activities. One of the Killer 1535's key features is its advanced stream detect technology, which prioritizes gaming traffic, reducing lag and providing a smoother experience. While it lacks support for the latest Wi-Fi 6 standard, the Killer 1535 excels in situations where connection stability is essential. It also includes Bluetooth 4.1, which ensures reliable connections to wireless peripherals, though it's not as fast as newer Bluetooth versions. Key features: designed for gamers with low latency Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC performance. Supports speeds of up to 867 megabits per second for high-performance gaming and streaming. Includes Killer Advanced Stream Detect technology to prioritize gaming traffic. Bluetooth 4.1 for peripheral connectivity. Dual band, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for flexible wireless options. Compatible with Windows operating systems. Number 5. Realtek RTL8822CE M.2 Wi-Fi card. The Realtek RTL8822CE M.2 Wi-Fi card is a cost-effective yet high-performance solution for users who need reliable wireless connections. Supporting both Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC and Bluetooth 5.0, it offers excellent speeds and connectivity for most everyday tasks. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming media, or gaming, this card provides up to 867 megabits per second data speeds, ensuring fast and stable connections. One of its main strengths is the combination of affordability and performance, making it perfect for users who are upgrading older laptops or desktops without breaking the bank. Bluetooth 5.0 also provides strong support for peripheral devices, allowing you to connect various devices without experiencing lag. Key features: supports Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC with speeds of up to 867 megabits per second. Dual band, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for flexible connections. Bluetooth 5.0 for advanced wireless peripheral support. Affordable and high performance, ideal for upgrading older systems. M.2 MIMO technology for stable connections in crowded networks. Compatible with Windows and Linux operating systems. Conclusion: selecting the right M.2 Wi-Fi card largely depends on your needs, whether you prioritize speed, connectivity, or affordability. If you want the fastest and most reliable connection, the Intel AX200 or Fenvi AX200 NGW are excellent choices with Wi-Fi 6 support. On the other hand, if you're looking for an affordable option without sacrificing too much performance, the Realtek RTL8822CE offers excellent value.